it's important to understand that no company is immune to the macroeconomic environment. But that said, it won't be darkness forever. I expect probably a year of difficulty globally for everyone. And then my best guess is that the global economy turns around in roughly 12 months. And then Tesla will be in an extremely good position. So anyone who is a long-term investor, I think, will do extremely well.
Tesla CEO Elon Musk has once again addressed salient issues that have affected Tesla's operations in the past few months. Find out what juicy updates the Tesla executive has for investors.
I'm actually surprised that so few people realize this, or maybe they just don't believe it's real, but it is. So this is really an insanely big deal. We're also the largest EV maker in the world. So yeah, and I think that will continue. And while at the same time being the highest margin of any car maker in the world. Now, making electric vehicles profitably is hard, as illustrated by the difficulty of our competitors. A number of our competitors are making EVs at a significant loss. But we are not. We are actually making EVs profitably, and almost no one else is. This is hard. So. And I'd say for this, it's a massive credit to the Tesla team for, I can't tell you how hard manufacturing is. Like, you've probably heard me say that prototypes are easy, manufacturing is hard. And then manufacturing at scale with positive cash flow is excruciating. It's mega pain. But the Tesla team has done it.
Tesla has been through a lot in the past few months, and what investors need more than anything is the assurance that things are going to get better. Tesla recently held its annual shareholders meeting, and the company's CEO disclosed quite a few different interesting updates that should set the minds of Tesla shareholders at rest, at least considering the importance of issues discussed by Elon Musk during the meeting. Musk said quite a number of things at the meeting, and we're going to be going through each one of them in this video. So make sure to watch until the end, so that way you won't miss out on anything. Hey guys, and welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. One of the major concerns of Tesla investors for quite some time now is that its CEO Elon Musk pays less attention to the car company than he used to before acquiring his social media platform, Twitter. Fortunately, Musk has announced that a new CEO will be coming on board soon, and he will likely have more time for Tesla now. Some institutional Tesla investors have also admonished Musk for being too distracted by his role as Twitter CEO. But Musk has also recently said that he expects to spend less time on Twitter going forward than he has in the last 6 months. At the shareholders meeting, Musk addressed the issues of him stepping down as Tesla's CEO. Responding to a question from an attendee, Musk discredited the rumors, stating that Tesla is going to play an important role in artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence, and he needs to oversee that to make sure it's good. Musk claimed that Tesla has by far the most advanced real-world AI of all tech companies today. The Tesla CEO reassured investors that he would be spending less time at Twitter, describing his acquisition of the social media platform as a short-term distraction. What other updates did Elon Musk share with Tesla investors? Well, we're going to get on with that in today's video, but before we actually get started, if you like this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything happening with Tesla. Elon Musk has teased 2 new EVs during its annual shareholders meeting, stating that one new EV is already in the manufacturing process. According to him, one of the new vehicles might be the $25,000 hatchback that was mentioned back in 2020 during the company's Battery Day. Musk emphasized that Tesla is designing new products, and both the design of the products and the manufacturing techniques are head and shoulders above anything else that is present in the industry. The EV expert teased the release of vehicles from now until 2024. Elon Musk told the gathering at the meeting in Austin, Texas, that Tesla is on course to release Cybertrucks by the end of the year. Musk says that once production does actually begin, Tesla will be able to produce between 250,000 and 500,000 Cybertrucks in a year. On a similar note, Musk also said that the Tesla Roadster, introduced in 2017, may finally enter production in 2024. Back in 2017, Musk unveiled a next-generation Tesla Roadster during an event to announce the Tesla Semi, the company's Class 8 electric truck. At the recent meeting, Musk said the Roadster, which was originally slated for production and deliveries in 2020, may go into production in 2024. Tesla entered the market with the sporty Roadster. When it introduced its Model S sedan in June 2012, it stopped producing the Roadster. Tesla began delivering its first SUV, the Model X, in September 2015, and then the Model 3 deliveries kicked off in July 2017, as Tesla's entry into the category of affordable cars. Unlike other cars manufacturers who sell through franchise dealerships, Tesla sells directly to consumers. It has created an international network of company-owned showrooms and galleries, mostly in urban centers. By owning the sales channel, Tesla believes it can gain an advantage in the speed of its product development. More importantly, it creates a better customer buying experience. Tesla has created its own network of more than 30,000 global superchargers, where drivers can charge their Tesla vehicles in about 15 minutes for a quarter of the price of gasoline. The purpose, of course, is to speed up the rate of adoption of electric cars by making them cheaper and easier to keep running. However, the automobile industry is becoming tougher, owing to rising inflation and a looming recession. Even Elon Musk admits this. Musk addressed the current state of the economy, saying that he expects it to remain weak for the next 12 months. At last year's shareholder meeting, Musk predicted an 18-month recession, teased the possibility of share buybacks, and told investors that electric vehicle business was aiming to produce 20 million vehicles annually by 2030, which he thought would require a dozen factories total, with each one producing 1.5 million to 2 million units per year. While Musk believes many companies will go bankrupt during this time, he assured investors that Tesla is set for long-term success. In his presentation at the recent shareholders meeting, Musk boasted about the company's energy storage business, stating that growth in the sales of big batteries was faster than growth in the company's core automotive segment. Musk also announced during the shareholders meetings that third-party audits of Tesla's cobalt supply chains are going to be happening. Cobalt is a critical ingredient for production of batteries that go into Tesla's electric cars and backup battery packs used at homes and for utility-scale energy products. Car makers have committed tens of billions of dollars to dramatically boost the production of batteries for electric vehicles in the US, including Tesla's recent plan to triple lithium-ion cell output at its sprawling plant near Reno, Nevada. All of those plants need vast amounts of costly raw materials, including cobalt that's often mined by children. Elon Musk wants to conduct these audits as a way to ensure that there are no children working in cobalt mines. He stated, for the small amount of cobalt that Tesla uses, the company will ensure that no child labor is being exploited. Other updates from the meeting addressed issues including Tesla's attempt to advertising, Optimus, and the addition of former company executive J.B. Straubel to the automaker's board of directors. Musk said Tesla is considering doing a small amount of traditional advertising, as compared to its current form of untraditional advertising. The Tesla CEO will dabble in advertisements, which is a major move for the 20-year-old company. Responding to an investor's question, Musk disclosed that Tesla will try a little advertising and see how it goes. Tesla has long prided itself on word of mouth among its fan base to market its vehicles. It has built a formidable brand without paying for traditional advertising on television, radio, or in newspapers or magazines. Musk has used Twitter, which he now owns, as a marketing tool for Tesla. The social media site depends on advertising as its primary source of revenue, which is something that its newly appointed CEO, Linda Yaccarino, is expected to focus on. Musk said in a subsequent interview that paying for ads could be a way for Tesla to expand beyond its existing user base as the company grows. However, the Tesla executive noted that while the advertising plan is worth a try, he only just agreed to it, meaning it's not a fully formed strategy. Elon Musk also shared details about Optimus, which is a humanoid robot in development at Tesla. According to Musk, Optimus should be able to run on the same kind of software and computers that Tesla uses, which will enable it to use features like advanced driver assistance in its cars. The CEO also said he believes that a majority of long-term value at Tesla will be derived from Optimus eventually. In other news, Tesla shareholders elected former company executives JB Straubel to the automaker's board of directors, despite a proxy advertiser's assertion that he hasn't been gone long enough to be considered independent. In announcing the preliminary vote tally at the company's annual meeting, Tesla said Elon Musk and chairwoman Robin Denholm were also re-elected to the board. There are a lot of interesting updates on Tesla. Hopefully this continues for the rest of the year, and who knows, the long-awaited Tesla vehicles and robots may be coming faster than expected. What do you think about the updates from Tesla's shareholder meeting? Let us know down below. And if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen. See you there.